there's been a big change in the oils that we use. People back in the day used to cook with animal fat, which is primarily lard, which comes from pigs, tallow, which comes from beef, and ghee, which is clarified butter that also comes from dairy. And back in the day, this was kind of the staple that people used, and it's essentially been replaced, with the exception of maybe butter and olive oil, almost entirely by these highly refined vegetable oils or seed oils. The main difference is that, these have to be sort of oftentimes chemically extracted. So for instance, canola oil comes from a plant called the rapeseed. It's been kind of rebranded as canola because rapeseed is obviously not a very sexy term. But if you ever look at the plant, it almost looks like weeds. It's not a lot of oil to extract unless it's kind of chemically extracted by chemicals like hexane, which are often like lingering in the oil. So it's kind of like polluted just from the extraction process in and of itself. But they're also volatile oils in that when they're used for high heat cooking, they chemically sort of change and can cause the creation of sort of cancer causing elements. And so particularly like a good example of this is potatoes. When fried, the combination of both the oil and the potatoes results in acrylamides, which are known to be sort of cancer causing.